How to recover the Samsung account password. First, is the official Samsung account recovery page. Open a web browser on any device and navigate to the Samsung account login page. Instead of trying to log in, look for and click on the link that says, "Forgot your ID or password." You will then be prompted to enter the ID for your account, which is typically the email address or phone number you used when signing up. After entering it, you'll choose a method to verify your identity. Samsung will then send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Once you receive and enter that code, you can immediately create a strong, new password for your account. This method is seamless if you still have access to your recovery contact information. Sometimes, you might have forgotten the ID, your email or phone number, itself. In that case, from the same login page, choose the Find ID option. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, like your name and the birth date associated with the account, to help retrieve it. Now, for situations where the standard methods aren't viable, perhaps you've forgotten the account details entirely or purchased a second-hand device with a lock still active, a specialized tool can be a necessary solution. Using a dedicated unlock tool like MagFone Android Unlocker can bypass the lock screen directly on the device itself. It's designed to wipe out pins, patterns, fingerprints, or face recognition instantly. Taking Samsung as an example, once you open the tool it walks you through powering the device down by holding power and volume down, then bringing it into recovery mode by holding power and volume up until the Samsung logo appears. When the recovery screen loads, you simply navigate with the volume keys to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Clear the cache with Wipe Cache Partition. Follow it by selecting Yes, and finish the process with Reboot System Now, allowing the device to restart without the previous lock. Remember, this method will erase all data on the device, so it is a final resort for regaining access.